You guys, we're here at the Ohio Bird Sanctuary. It's my day off. I'm just having fun. A friend of mine was like, hey, how about you make a calendar and fill it up with events? So that's what I'm doing, you guys. This is my first adventure out here. I'm going to be keep posting videos, hopefully every week. Me doing something new. Buddy, if you would eat those. Hey, want a couple more? Ow. But yeah, like I say, we're just enjoying my day off. Ohio Bird Sanctuary here in Mansfield, Ohio. Came over and said, let's just go see what they got. If you guys could, though, hit that like and subscribe. Crazy Moose just out here having fun. $5 all day. They open up at like noon. It's like 94 degrees right now. It's kind of warm. But we're out here just enjoying the day. Hit that like and subscribe, you guys. Crazy Moose out.